Okay, now you can raise the fire. And we can mix all this together.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a fried rice using sausage, but I'm going to use two types of sausage here, lap chong. This is the normal type of sausage, but it's actually thicker. Another one, the black color is actually very nice. It has a very deep flavor. It is actually a liver sausage. If you haven't tried a liver sausage before, you should really try. It has a much deeper flavor. So I'm mixing the two. As to how much you want to put, really up to you. To be very frank, I'm frying about 2 cups of white rice today. I feel which is equivalent to about 3 person to 4 person. I feel it's a little bit too much. I may reduce the amount later. Then I will be adding a bit of veggie. So I searched through my fridge. I found some long bean. So long bean will be good. Or you can use spring onion. So if you are using long bean here, you probably need to saute it probably for about 3-4 minutes until it is Chinese say 断生. Restaurants say 断生, meaning it is no longer raw. This is what we mean by 断生, right? Probably it'll take about 3-4 minutes. I added a little bit of salt also during the sauteing process. And of course, I'll be adding some 2 eggs. And yeah, this is pre-cooked rice. It doesn't have to be 1 day before. It doesn't have to be overnight. Just cook it like 2-3 hours before will be good enough. Before we start, we're going to prep the egg, yeah? Break the egg first and then mix it up. So first of all, we are going to heat up a little bit of oil here. This is more for the egg. So once you have heated up the oil, you can put in the egg. Meanwhile, stand by your rice. Wow, the egg is super fragrant. I always like to use free-range egg. Next thing, I'm going to add in the rice, and it's going to get overexposed. All right. Appa is also the videographer. So sometimes a big kelang kabut, yeah. Wow. Today I did not use some of the tricks for me to make it easier to stir fry, such as you can add in some garlic oil or onion oil into the rice before you fry it. That will make it easier to stir fry, yeah. I did not use all those. Or sometimes you can bring a egg yolk mix an egg yolk into the rice before stir frying. That also will make things easier for you. Today, I didn't use any of those tricks. Okay, don't worry. Still, it's going to turn out fine, perfectly fine. Yeah. Now I want to infuse the rice with the egg flavor. One round of light soy sauce. This is important, and you notice I actually put the light soy sauce around the wok so that it can get contact with the direct heat from the wok to really bring out further nice flavor, the enhanced flavor of the bean, yeah, the soy sauce itself. Yes, I can smell the light soy sauce right now. Papa is using some premium light soy sauce. Wow, very fragrant. Alright, now I'm going to tune down the fire. Tune down the fire before we add the rest of things. Now I'm going to put in a little bit of some fine salt. Actually, at restaurant they like to use coarse salt. I don't like it because sometimes it did not melt. So that is a little bit of fine salt. This is the sauté green bean. Then we have the sausages. I'm going to give it a bit of my Cooking Apa chicken salt powder. This bottle is finishing, no problem. Ooh, I saw a fly. The thing about moving onto a landed house is you can't, very hard to get rid of the flies. Okay, now you can raise the fire. And we can mix all this together. You can pre-saute your sausages if you like. Wow, I can smell everything right now. I can smell the egg, the sausage, the light soy sauce. Super fragrant. So while you are sauteing right now, the sausage will actually release some fat, yeah, some oil into your rice. If you can find goose liver sausage, that is the best. But usually those you can easier to find during Chinese New Year. Normal days, not so easy to find. All right, it's basically done. I'm just going to give a few dashes of white pepper towards the end. Right, look at how beautiful it is. It's going to taste super good, super flavorful. It's basically done. Right, so here's my very simple fried rice, golden fried rice with double sausages. All right, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.